I picked up a new battery to replace the one that I borrowed from this machine. Is that starter any good? Or is it actually junk? Let's throw this battery and starter in, and let's see if it'll run. Looks like we have lost our nut. Let's see if we can find another one that fits. Alright, found one that fit. Let's get her hooked up. That starter is back in. So that is the starter that came with this machine here. So we shall see if it just needed a battery or if that starter is still fried. Alright, you know this one is the positive because it goes up to a terminal on the solenoid, and this other side goes to engine ground. So that would be negative. Alright, got everything hooked up. Let's push this outside and see if it fires up. Alright, well that new starter worked no problem with that battery. Fired right up. So this one is good to go.